Whoever claims the right to redistribute the wealth produced by others is claiming the right to treat human beings as chattel. It is not advisable to venture unsolicited opinions. You should spare yourself the embarrassing discovery of their exact value to your listener. An irresponsible person is a person who makes vague promises, then breaks his word, blames it on circumstances and expects other people to forgive it. I owe nothing to my brothers, nor do I gather debts from them. I ask none to live for me, nor do I live for any others. I covet no man's soul, nor is my soul theirs to covet. We are now moving towards complete collectivism or socialism, a system under which everybody is enslaved to everybody. Believing in fate produces fate. Believing in freedom will create infinite possibilities. Do not make the mistake of the ignorant who think that an individualist is a man who says, "I'll do as I please at everybody else's expense." We are born into this world unarmed, our mind is our only weapon. Devotion to the truth is the hallmark of morality. There is no greater, nobler, more heroic form of devotion than the act of a man who assumes the responsibility of thinking. It is a free market that makes monopolies impossible. The difference between a welfare state and a totalitarian state is a matter of time. Individual rights are not subject to a public vote. A majority has no right to vote away the rights of a minority. The question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. Any alleged right of one man, which necessitates the violation of the rights of another, isn't and can't be a right. Learn to value yourself, which means, fight for your happiness. A creative man is motivated by the desire to achieve, not by the desire to beat others. You can avoid reality, but you cannot avoid the consequences of avoiding reality. I can accept anything, except what seems to be the easiest for most people, the halfway, the almost, the just about, the in-between. Freedom, to ask nothing. To expect nothing. To depend on nothing. A man's sexual choice is the result and the sum of his fundamental convictions. He will always be attracted to the woman who reflects his deepest vision of himself, the woman whose surrender permits him to experience a sense of self-esteem. The man who does not value himself cannot value anything or anyone.